Hi, I'm Johnny from Salamone in Menomonee Falls, Wisconsin, and today we're going to be going over the powerful benefits of steam cleaning and the Hercules Vapor Scrub Steam Cleaner by Bissell Big Green Commercial. Now, according to the CDC, of all methods available for cleaning, steam is the most widely used and dependable. Steam sterilization is non-toxic, inexpensive, rapidly kills viruses and bacteria because it can penetrate so many different surfaces with ease. Here are 4 reasons why cleaning with steam is very effective. Reason number 1, it does not require chemicals. Water and heat are the only elements required. And not only will this save you money that you would have spent on cleaning chemicals, it also makes it very environmentally friendly, especially for children and pets. And you can clean things without the fear of harsh chemical side effects. Reason number 2, steam cleaning is very user-friendly and versatile. You can use it from bathrooms to basements, large surface areas like floors, countertops, carpeting, furniture, and even clean your grill. The amount of things that you can clean with steam are endless. And with a steam cleaner that has a lot of attachments, like this one, you will be able to clean areas you have not been able to clean in the past. Reason number 3, eliminate the trickiest and nastiest of culprits. Bacteria, viruses, mold spores, dust mites, fleas, the list goes on. These annoying and hazardous pathogens can result in irritations, allergies, and infections. Dust mites, for example, are second only to pollen in top causes of allergic reactions. But using a steam cleaner regularly can remove these microscopic pests for good. Lastly, reason number 4 is the way that steam cleans. When you use steam to clean, the molecules of hot vapor penetrate the pores of the surface you're cleaning. And when they come in contact with the surface, they expand, forcing dirt and debris and bacteria to the surface, killing them because of the intense heat of the vapor molecules. So now that we've talked about the powerful uses of steam, let's go over the Hercules Vapor Scrub Steam Cleaner. Now, as you can see, this machine does come with a lot of accessories for any kind of area that you're trying to clean. And one thing I like especially about this machine is it has a cubby in the front here that holds some of the smaller pieces that'll help you not lose them. Now, it does come with the measuring bucket and the funnel, which goes right in here. And keep in mind, when this is filled up completely and it is pressurized, you will not be able to take this cap off until the system is fully depressurized. That's where the funnel goes, and it will take 50 ounces of water, and that 50 ounces of water will get you 45 minutes of run time. It does also take 12 minutes, depending on how much liquid is in there, to fully pressurize and heat up as well. Alright, so I just plugged the machine in, and I pressed the power button on the top right here. There are 2 lights in the front of the machine here. The red light just stands for power, and the orange light means that it's building up pressure and the heat. When that orange light goes off, that means that the machine is ready to be used. Like I said earlier, it takes about 12 minutes if the tank is completely full. When you are using the machine, if that orange light comes on, it's not a problem. Just release the trigger for 30 to 60 seconds. Give it time to build that pressure back up, and then you will be able to continue using the machine. All right, the orange light is off, and we are ready to test this out. Just to give you a heads up, there is a trigger lock on the bottom of this. When it's out like this, that means it's ready to go. But if you press it in, you will not be able to pull the trigger. I'm just going to test it out on this table here. Feel free to wear gloves or eye protection if you'd like. All right, that's going to do it for today. My name is Johnny. I hope you learned something today about the powerful cleaning ability of steam or about our Hercules Vapor Scrub Steam Cleaner. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us by phone, email, or on our website at salamonesupplies.com. Thanks so much for watching.